Normal English versus Ielts English. I am going to work. I am off to work. I don't know. It beats me. You are annoying me. You are winding me up. I am very scared. I am petrified. I agree with you 100%. You can say that again. I took a short sleep. I took a cat nap. I am very busy. I am swamped. Let's meet today. Let's catch up today. She got married. She got hitched. I am very hungry. I am starving. I am very happy. I am over the moon. I am very busy. I am swamped. I am very tired. I am exhausted. Sorry, I feel asleep. Sorry, I dozed off. It's very cold outside. It's freezing outside. Good luck. Break a leg. Stop wasting time. Stop faffing around. I think, in my opinion, to sum up, in conclusion, in the end, finally, but, however. इसी मज़ीद वीडियोस के लिए हमारे चैनल स्टडी विद मोहम्मद हाशिम को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें और बेल आइकन भी प्रेस कर दें। शुक्रिया।